Most of us have commonly seen and eaten radish, but less is known about this plant. Actually, radish was cultivated in Egypt in 2780 BC and is believed to have originated in southern Asia. Initially there was one type of radish, the black radish. Later on, the white and red varieties were developed in the 1700s. Radishes have many health benefits. Radish and radish leaves are rich in vitamin C and contain rich amount of potassium, ascorbic acid as well as folic acid. If you are looking to cultivate radish in your home, wait no more! Just follow the step-by-step instructions below to grow spring radish and harvest your own in no time. Here are the things you will need to grow radish: bypaths, pruners, compost makers, fertilizers, garden spades, garden trowels, mulch plants, rototiller seeds. Before you start growing, make sure that your soil's pH value is near neutral or neutral, as radishes grow best under this condition. Furthermore, the seeds have higher chances of germinating within a week or less if the soil temperature when planting is 50 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Extra care must also be taken to coincide the planting with the ideal temperature range of 60 to 65 degrees F. Firstly, you must choose a planting site that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, with an ideal pH value of 5.8-6.8. Seeds can be sown directly into the ground or in a container. Next, till the soil to at least 6 inches. Loosen the soil while you are working in the compost. Care must be taken to clear the planting site of any twig or debris that can obstruct the germination of the radish seed. Seeds can be sown directly into the ground or in a container. It is advisable to sow it directly as it grows faster. Sowing should be done at least 6 weeks before the cold season sets in. Place seeds half an inch deep and 1 inch apart, in rows or patches. Spread mulch over the seedlings to trap moisture and prevent weeds. Water the plants twice daily. Be careful not to plant radish in warmer weather than the ideal temperature of 50 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Warmer weather will cause the roots to turn out bitter and hard. Spring radishes can be harvested once they reach full maturity. It must be done quickly enough, as their quality turns worse rapidly after they have reached maximum growth. In a nutshell, growing radish is not as hard as it looks. Perfect, beautiful radish varieties can be attained with enough care, as this is a sensitive plant. Nevertheless, good compost and watering helps in germination of good quality radish plants. These plants are known to be effective against certain types of cancer, heart diseases and blood pressure. Good luck in trying. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.